Question 27 from IIT JAM 2022. A particle is subjected to two simple harmonic motions along the x and y axes, described by xt is equal to a sin 2 omega t plus pi and yt equal to 2a sin omega t. The resultant motion is given by these are the options. Okay, so these are the options. Now x of t is equal to a sin 2 omega t plus pi. So x by a will be sin 2 omega t plus pi. So what is the formula of sin a plus b? That will be sin 2 omega t into cos pi plus cos 2 omega t into sin pi, because sin of a plus b, this is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. From trigonometry we can get this. So x by a is equal to this. Now y t equal to 2a sin omega t. So we can write sin omega t is equal to y by 2a. Okay, so x by a is equal to sin 2 omega t. What is the formula of sin 2 omega t? That is sin 2a, that is equal to sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. So this term will be written as 2 sin omega t into cos omega t. Sin pi is -1, so minus sign will be here, and sin pi is equal to 0, so the whole term will be 0, so plus 0. Now x by a equal to -2 sin omega t. Sin omega t is y by 2a. Okay, so y by 2a into cos omega t. Cos omega t is equal to root over 1 minus sin square omega t. So root over 1 minus sin square omega t is y square by 4 square, y square by 4 square. 2 will be cancel out, so a will be cancel out. So now squared both side, so x square is equal to y square into 1 minus y square by 4 square. Now from the options, this option matches with this, x square equal to y square into 1 plus y square by 4 square. So this is the resultant motion. This is answer. So option D is correct.